Hello ladies and gentlemen, it is Quoia Renae and now I'm back with another video. As you all can see, I have installed that hair from Kendra's Boutique, and what I'm going to do now is just go in with my blow dryer just to kind of get the waves out of the hair so that my hair can get completely straight as possible. I'm going to turn up tonight, y'all. I'm going out for my birthday. My birthday is October 10th, but this video was filmed October 6th. I went to Cirque. I turned up. I had me some fun, y'all. And y'all make sure y'all follow me on Instagram so y'all can wish me a happy birthday. It's Quoia_Renae, QUOIA_RENAE. I'll have it listed towards the end of the video. So now I'm just going to clip my hair off. I like to work on one side first and then the other side secondly. And then once I've clipped my hair off, I'm going to go in with some Chi hair protectant. And then I'm going to go in with a small babyless flat iron, and I'm going to straighten my edges. Well, not all my edges, but that little part, you see the little nappy part in the front. I'm going to straighten that out, y'all, because it's a little kinky. So we're going to get that together. We're going to spray some Chi on it, and then we're going to go in with some serum, and then we're going to start to get this weave all together, honey. So now I'm going to take my serum, and I'm going to take one small pump. I'm going to rub it in my hands, and then I'm going to rub it all the way down the shaft of my hair. The key to getting your hair silky bone straight, y'all, is going in with a very lightweight serum. It also keeps away the frizziness whenever you're going out in public or in any humidity. The serum is going to keep away any extra flyaways and keeping your hair from getting frizzy. And then you want to also use a chasing method. I use a tension brush, but you can use a comb if you choose to. But I love my tension brush. It gets my hair bone straight, y'all, and that's just with one pass. My hair got bone straight with my babyless flat iron, y'all. I have it set to 450, and I'm just going to do one pass throughout my entire head of hair, y'all, because I got somewhere to be, honey. I'm trying to turn up tonight, so I ain't got time to be doing 4 and 5 passes. If it don't get bone straight by that one pass, y'all, throw away the hair. Throw away the whole hair. I'm just playing, y'all, but do what you gotta do to get that hair silky bone straight. Also, ladies and gents, another tip to get your hair really straight is once you have that flat iron in your hand, make sure that you have a really firm grip on that flat iron, and you're pressing down and you're sliding down the hair, so kind of slowly, you know, just making sure that their hair gets really bone straight. And it's also going to help seal those flyaways as well. So I have finally completed one side of my hair, you guys, and this is the result right here, honey. Yes, y'all see that bounce, y'all see that luster, that shine, that fleekiness, honey. Yes, I'm talking about straight turning up tonight with this sleeky bone straight hair. Y'all, I ain't leave it all straight. I curled like a little piece of it, but I left the rest straight, y'all. And this is the fleekiness, honey. I am getting to it, honey. Yes. So y'all, I'm just gonna speed through the other side because I feel like y'all pretty much get the point. And then we are going to go back to regular speed once I go in to do my leave out. So I'm not going to go into a lot of detail of how I do my leave out or blend my leave out with my weave because I have a video on my channel already. So I'm just going to let y'all watch. If you want to see a very detailed version of me speaking and telling y'all, you know, different tips, then make sure you tune into that video. I'm actually going to have it listed at the end of my video. So I'm not going to let y'all know, you know, where to get these products and stuff and all that stuff because you can tune into my other video. So don't ask, go look at my other video. I'm also going to have the link to that video where I'm blending my leave out in detail and telling y'all more about the products that I use. I'm going to link that video in the description box down below. So if you want to tune into that video to get a more detailed version of that, then make sure you hit that link in my bio once you're done watching this video. So ladies and gentlemen, you have reached the end of my video, honey, and these are the results of this fleekiness, honey. I hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope you all caught all this slayage, honey, and if y'all have learned some tips and have straightened your weave and got it fleekiness, y'all follow me on Instagram and tag me in y'all pictures so I can repost it on my Insta story, honey. Like, I want to catch y'all slay like y'all catching my slay. Let me catch y'all drip, honey. Drip on me, honey. Yes, y'all see this hair. Y'all don't see this hair, man. Y'all don't see this hair. Anyways, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, y'all. Also, don't forget to follow my Instagram, and don't forget to share this video. I love you all so much. Bye.